YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Back with another video for you guys today, man. So, today, you read the title, you saw the thumbnail, you know what it is. I'm going to give you a lacing tutorial on Jordan 12s, particularly this Indigo 12, the most recent one that came out. But I'm going to show you guys how I like to lace up my 12s and how I like to rock them. But before we get into that, man, at the time of me recording this video, we have 710 subscribers. The goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. We're showing great progress. Let's see if we can hit 800 before the beginning of October. We smashed the goal of 700 before September. Let's see if we can hit 800 before October. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, join the anonymous Sneakerhead family. Also, to really help out with the algorithms, help bring more people to the channel, make sure that you go ahead and smash that like button. It's free. It's right down there, man. It does a lot more than you guys ever know. It really helps with the algorithms, helps with the channels. I would greatly appreciate it. And then last but not least, go ahead and follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. As you guys know, I post about my videos before it goes up on there. I already unboxed and reviewed these. They did belong in my top 10. They fit in at the 6th spot, but that's all information that you get as well if you follow the Instagram. Also, before we get into the lacing tutorial, one last thing. I am an ambassador for Popl. That's P-O-P-L. And what Popl is essentially like having an infinite amount of business cards on you all the time. It's a little sticker that you can connect your social media to, and you can put it on the back of your phone. You can put it on, I have another one in my wallet. You can put it on literally anything. You can put it on an actual business card if you wanted to. And as you can see on the screen, the way that it works is that you just tap it to someone's phone. All the links that you want in there are in there. Comes up on their phone. For me, I have my Instagram, my YouTube channel, my Popl Ambassador link, which is also down below in the description, my Cashapp, and my PayPal. Also, guys, make sure that when you are shopping for one, you use promo code ANON, A-N-O-N, for a discount, man. Everything, all of that, the link to all of that is down below in the description, but that's enough talking about that. Let's get into this video. While you came here, I'm going to show you guys how I lace my Jordan 12s. Okay, YouTube, so you guys can see right here, I do have my shoe once I have it laced up how I am going to wear it. And then this is it, dead stock out of the box. Now, as you can see, dead stock out of the box, man, the shoe is really tight. It's hard for the shoe to breathe. It's choked up. Even look, we already got some little creasing going on in here, and I haven't even put my foot in here yet. That's just from how tight the shoe is laced up. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to, well, the first thing we're going to do is we have to remove the, whatever you call this, the shoe tree. We're going to move that, throw it to the side, and then we're going to remove all the laces down to the bottom. Now, I'm going to get into the actual lacing of the shoe. So what I always do, this is the outside of the shoe, this is the inside of the shoe. I always start with the lace on the inside of the shoe, as I do for most of my shoes, and we're going to come across here. I'm going to come across to the side of the shoe and outside of it. So instead of going the inside, we're going to go around. When the shoe is deadlocked, the laces come from underneath. We want to come from the top of the shoe and just pull through right here. The good thing about Jordan 12s, and honestly, what is it, Jordan 11 or is it Jordan 10? I think the Jordan 10 up, we get the rope laces, so you don't have to worry about making sure that the laces are flat. But then you just want to come back over here, cross over again, bang, and pull it right here. Now, don't pull it too tight because you're going to go back through and loosen them up. You could keep them a little loose right now if you want. I kind of like to have them flush just because it'll get some of the wrinkles out of the lace when I come back through to do what I got to do. So you're going to do that exact same thing all the way up to the shoe until we get to the plastic, or on some Jordan 12s, it's metal eyelets. So now once I get up around the plastic or the metal eyelets on the shoe, this particular 12, they are plastic. What I like to do is make sure that the laces are still lining up. So I'll pull them out, and there you go. You can see they're still lined up. So that's awesome. We want them to be equal. And then we're going to come through once again from the inside part of the shoe. We're going to go underneath the bottom of this first metal eyelet here. Or sorry, this shoe is plastic, whatever. We're going to go through the bottom of that eyelet here. We're going to cross over. we're gonna go through the bottom of this eyelet here. If I can get it through, there it is. It's a little tight. There we go. So we're gonna go through that, and then we're gonna come back over, but instead of this time going from the bottom, I'm gonna pull it through the top. Now, I'll tell you why that is. A lot of people do it through the bottom, but the way I do my loose lace on my 12s, I come from the top of this one, and it's a little difficult to get through just because it kind of feeds right to the one below it. But once you figure out how to get it through and you pull it, you're good to go. The reason why I do this is because I feel like this way you don't have to worry about the laces coming out while you're wearing them as much as you do when it comes from underneath, just because you'll have a little bit of gravity on your side. So boom, right there, you want to come through, let it hang, but you want to let it hang just a little bit, and then you want to come over from here and do the exact same thing on this side. Like I said, it's a little difficult just because of how the eyelet feeds, but you want to just get it through there. Try not, because it's going to run into the one right below it. And then here we go. So now we're just going to let it hang right here. Now all we have to do is just go through the shoe, loosen it up evenly just like you see right here. And then once you have it on foot as well, you can loosen it up even more just to get it perfect. I've already put this one on my foot, so I know that it looks good when it's there. But now all I'm going to do, really, I'm just going to start going through, pulling some of the slack out of the top right here. Bang. Right, and then just work it all the way down the shoe. So you're going to pull some more slack out, pull some more slack out, pull some more out till you get to the bottom of the shoe. Now we're gonna leave, I always leave this right here, this crossover. I don't know, I just feel like it looks sloppy or too sloppy. If that one's loose, I still want to keep some uniformity, as you guys will see when I do the on foot. But that's pretty much it. You're gonna go around with it, you're gonna play with it until you get it to where you want. Put it on your foot, try playing it around, or playing around with it right there. But as you can see, we went from the dead stock lacing to this lacing right here. This is how I wear my Jordan 12s. I'm gonna give you guys an on foot right now so you guys can see how it looks. You know what I'm saying? Practically on my foot, walking around, moving around in real time. And then I'll get back to finish off the video. Alright, YouTube, you got to see how I lace my Jordan 12s, man. I really like the look, you know what I'm saying? I really like, now the main reason why I come in from the top with this lace right here is just because it doesn't fall out as much. Now, actually I had a problem with another shoe right here. So actually on these right here, you can see that the way that they're laced, I did tie a little knot in the end of the lace just so that it doesn't come through at all. I don't know why, but these laces seem to be a little shorter than the ones that are in the Indigo. But usually you should be fine. They won't come out if you put them in that way. So that's why I come from the top instead of the bottom. They just stay in while you're wearing them. But really dope. You guys got to see it on foot. Absolutely love this shoe. Love Jordan 12s in general. Let me know how you guys lace your Jordan 12s. Do you lace it a similar way? Do you lace it a different way? Just let me know. Really interested to see how people lace their shoes, not just 12s, but all shoes in general. It could really change the look of a sneaker. It can really help out. It can really make or break an outfit if your shoe is laced correctly or if it looks sloppy or too tight or whatever it is. But that is it for this one, you guys. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead. If you are new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the channel. Join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family. The goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. The micro goal is to hit 800 before October 1st. So let's make sure we go ahead and do that. Also, go ahead if you made it this far and hit that like button. You were obviously entertained. So go ahead, hit that like button. Hopefully this video helped you out with a lot. And the like button's free. So just like this video helps you with lacing your 12s, the like button can help this channel get shown to more people. It helps the videos have a wider spread. It does way more than you guys ever think. Leave a comment as well. And then last but not least, make sure you go ahead and follow that Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. But that is it for this one, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.